Well, welcome back, my monkeys, and monkey men. I don't know who. What? Don't think about that a little bit. But yeah, I'm like really strutting. No, blowing that out with my big fist. But yeah, there's a new update in Animal Company. I didn't get to check it out yesterday. So let's get on to this. I'm gonna make it a surprise so you guys can see. I didn't get to share this about yesterday, so let's get on to this. So, oh my gosh, there's a spaceship up there. Okay. I'm gonna bring a bag with me just if I want to collect anything. Gadgets. I'm gonna take these rockets to get up there. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's like really green. Here you are. Press the button. I don't want to go to space, Mommy. Okay, that was really loud. Whoa, cars? Nah, hold on. No. Guys, this is rate my car 1 out of 10. I meant my cars, bro. Yeah, I'm just like rich like that. Okay. Drive! Can we drive? Wait. Ah! Whoa! Oh no! Trick shot! Oh my gosh! Oh, ouchie. Okay, this is really cool. It's like, so I think if your triggers like boost it. Ah! It's really cool. Backflip. No, I can't really backflip here. Wait. Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? The gravity here is like insane. Oh, green screen? Oh my gosh, hold on. Guys, today, this camera will be in space. Just kidding. Goodbye. Whoa, I feel like, no, I'm not sure if that added to it. So, whoa, okay. So, hold up, I got a theory. Let me come over to here. I'm gonna buy a rocket. One rocket Reno. So I heard if you can actually just move the car yourself. Wanna grab onto it? Let me try this. Turns out that doesn't work. Okay, let's start to drive. Oh my gosh. What in the front flip? Let's get out of this. So I'm going to be driving around, guys. This is a beautiful driving montage. Oh, yeah. So there's various things that are new in here. I'm going to check them out after this beautiful driving you've seen by the Monkey Man. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I'm stuck. Go, pony, go. Can we drive? Okay, we're stuck. L car. Guys, everybody spam L car. Car can't do anything. Okay, so I saw some various items. No. Wait, hold on. It looks like people can grab onto this. Wait. Oh, okay. You can't have someone in the middle. Can you get some people up here? Bro, you can have people up here. Hold on. Long arm glitch. Wait, can you get someone on the back? Oh, yeah. Imagine if this went to the loop-de-loop and the person was on there. So, let's look around. Oh, there's the camera here. I'm taking a picture of this. It's magnificent, so I'm putting it in my beautiful bag. I need to get a car so I can move around quicker. Oh Oh yeah. Ah! Okay, this guys. Everybody say hi, Bob. Hi to Bob. Hey, Bob. Let's get in the car. Wait. Why am I talking to Bob? Bob is the car. Oh. Okay. Turn. Oh. 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 Ah. Go. Grab this thing. Urgh. Gotta push my car. Come on, just drive. Drive. Wait. Where are you stuck? Okay, guys, Bob did a bad job. We need to get a literal new car. Well, you know, I'm buying rockets and just going around. Whip. And the memories bring back Sigma, Ohio. Okay, wait, what is this? What are these things? I'm gonna put in my mysterious bag of bagging. I'm also gonna use one. Let's see what it does here. I don't know if it like stopped the gravity. Here we are. Whoa, whoa. Ah, oh my gosh. Hold on. Ah! Wait, what is that? Looks like a... I can't tell. Oh, no. Slide. What? Is that a radio? Okay, this is Jimmy Joe Bob the Radio Bob. Okay, here we are. Oh my gosh! It plays while it's in your okay, that's really cool. So, how do I get back? Maybe we have to go to the big hole. I don't know. So, yeah, it gives me vibes of like 2020. Is this where I'm supposed to be going? Whoa, nope, that's a huge crater. So I'm pretty sure I saw in a video, it was initially supposed to be a meteor update. I saw in a comment, W person who commented. I can see how it can be. It could have been a meteor update. I can see that. Okay, here. Oh, here it is. This is what the lobby looks like. Ah, okay, so that was everything in the moon place. So now we're gonna figure out what these are called. Here we are. Just grab my beautiful items. Just dump them out. Let's Kobe it. Kobe all along. Yeah, Dad? Sorry. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Anti-gravity grenade. Really cool. Okay. I think you can maybe use this on other players. Oh shoot, oh shoot. I want to stick to the ground. Ground, I love you. No, ground, no. Oh, here we are. Here's a beautiful picture. You did a good time with me. You guys did. Wait, no, I want to keep the radio. I want to keep the radio. Trick shot? Oh, wait, the office is there now? Whoa. What I just... Okay, guys. This is Jimmy Joe Bob, the Radio Bob. You're heading into... Yo! Trick shot. I'm dude perfect now. I'm literally dude perfect now. Okay, so... let me grab myself a hook shot and a weaponini for... I want to go to forest, you know? Okay. Oh wow, this is a very tiny Grapploo that I have. My friend's calling me right now. He can't answer that. Hey Dad, could you tell him I'm playing VR, but don't call me? Actually, yeah, just let it go. Thanks, Dad. Okay, sorry. My friend was calling me. Wait. Oh yeah, I was gonna bring a weapon. I'm gonna bring the pinata. I'm gonna bring you. So we're gonna get 2. Nope. Okay, let's go. Here you are. Hereby I state, all monkeys should be nice to each other and every other animal. Do not enter. Ain't stopping me. Wait, what? What in the invisible wall? Oh shoot! I can't. There we go. Nope. Okay. So a secret on Scooby the Monkey's video. You ain't getting me. Yeah. You too scared. Ain't getting me now. Ah! Oh, I deflected it? Okay. That's cool. I'm not sure if that was new, but there was like some... Oh, hold on. Explode! That thing sucks. I'm not sure if there's like anything new down here, but there's like that really weird wall. I also saw Scooby the Monkey's video. I think if you go right here, you die. Okay, that was really weird. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments, everybody. And have a great time. Blessed day. 777. And, yep. The monkey is out. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on. Monkey Man and Nini. Animal Company. That was really good, right?